When most people think of Weltrade, they think about Forex and CFD trading, but there's much more you can do to earn income with this broker, especially if you're in Africa. Today, I'm breaking down multiple ways African traders can make money with Weltrade even without placing a single trade. 1. Copy trading. Earn by following pros. If you're new to markets or want passive income, copy trading is one of the best ways to earn with Weltrade. Here's how it works. You find top performing traders on the platform. You link your account to copy their trades automatically. When they profit, you profit. It's like having an expert trade for you, and successful African traders who build a good track record can earn additional income by attracting followers to copy their strategies. This is perfect for beginners and busy professionals who don't want to spend hours in charts but still want gains. 2. P2P services, peer-to-peer earnings. Welltrade supports P2P transactions in some regions, meaning you can connect directly with other traders to buy or sell account balance, exchange currencies, convert funds without going through traditional banking systems. As an African trader, you can earn small margins by offering better rates than typical exchanges privately and securely using Welltrade's account ecosystem. This is especially useful in countries where international payment options are limited. 3. Affiliate program. Promote and earn. Passively, Welltrade's affiliate program is a powerful way to earn passive income. Here's the idea. You sign up as an affiliate, you get a unique referral link, you share it online, on YouTube, blogs, social media, or WhatsApp groups. When someone registers and trades using your link, you earn commissions, usually recurring based on their trading volume. This means once you bring in clients, you continue to earn as long as they trade. African content creators, educators, and community leaders can especially benefit because you can monetize your audience simply by recommending a broker you use. 4. Introducing Broker IB Partnership. Bigger earnings. If you want to scale your earnings even more, the Introducing Broker IB role lets you take things to a professional level. As an IB, you build a network of traders, you get higher commission rates than standard affiliates, you can negotiate custom deals based on performance, you help clients open, fund, and manage accounts. This is ideal for people who run trading communities, financial educators, or local agents, especially in markets like Nigeria, Kenya, Ghana, Zambia, and South Africa. With the right network, IB income can surpass what many traders earn from markets alone. 5. Educational content, teaching and mentoring. Although not a direct Welltrade program, many African traders are earning by creating education around Welltrade. Tutorials on how to open and verify accounts, strategy courses using Welltrade's platforms, guides on risk management, live webinars and mentorship sessions. You can monetize this content through paid courses, YouTube ad revenue, sponsored content, Patreon, or membership platforms. This turns your skills into income outside of direct trading. Final thoughts. Welltrade isn't just a place to trade, it's an ecosystem where African traders can earn in multiple ways. Copy trading, P2P market participation, affiliate commissions, introducing broker partnerships, educational content, and mentorship. The key? Leverage your knowledge, networks, and consistency. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, there's more than one way to build income, and WellTrade offers tools to help you do it.